This is the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra smartphone. Let's unbox it. What's up, internet? I'm Brian McDuff, aka BMac, and welcome to another video. So yes indeed, today I do have with me here the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra smartphone, and per usual, anytime there's a new fancy smartphone on the market, we gotta take a look at it by unboxing it. So that is exactly what we are going to do, but first things first, I do need to give a huge thank you and a shout out to Samsung for actually lending out a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra for me to be able to check out, use, and review. So Samsung, thank you. Appreciate you. But with that having been said, let's get to it. Quick look at the box. You can see, of course, Galaxy S25 Ultra right there with a cool little shadow outline of the 25 Ultra itself, as well as the S Pen. A very subtle S25 Ultra there on the left side. Samsung on the right side. Nothing on top. Some IMEI, color information, stuff like that on the bottom, and a couple more little icons there, information on the back. But I know you don't care about any of that. You care about what's in this thing. So let's actually take a look at it right now. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in the titanium silver blue color. Ooh, already she's looking beautiful. We will take a closer look at that in just a second. First things first, actually, underneath the cover, we actually have a little hidden compartment here. And upon removing this, you will see, Samsung, we have some goodies in here. Let's take a look at what we get. And upon shaking this out, you are going to see a couple different things. First and foremost, or perhaps not foremost, the first thing we see, a SIM card ejection tool. Also, in here, you are gonna see a packet of information here, or kind of just a thin, slim little packet. This is gonna be your quick start guide, pretty self-explanatory. If you wanted to quickly start up and get to know your S25 Ultra, that's what that's for. And then you will see you still do have included a USB-C to USB-C cable, which upon unraveling, you will see is about a 3-foot USB-C to USB-C cable. And that is quite literally all that comes in the box. Very minimal these days. It used to be a lot more to it, but now very minimal. That's the bulk of all of it. We get to now take a closer look at the S25 Ultra itself. It feels good in the hand. We do have some cellophane / plastic covering to remove here. So let's do that right now. So gosh darn satisfying. The S25 Ultra, unboxed, uncellophaned, in my hand for the first time, and it feels amazing. I love how flat everything is. I love it. First thing you're probably gonna notice right away, your rear camera system here with your individual protruding camera lenses and those rather beefy rings. All around the rest of the device itself, you are gonna notice these squared off edges with, of course, a matte finish, which I'm head over heels in love with, and pretty much no curves going on here at all. No curves on the front glass, no curves on the back glass, no curves on the edges. The only real curves, if you even consider them, are some rounded corners here, which you kind of have to have. Otherwise, this thing could probably start giving you paper cuts, just saying. And more specifically, you do have your volume rocker switch, you have your power button, you're gonna see some antenna ticks throughout the frame itself. On the bottom, you do have your physical SIM card tray, your USB-C port, some various cutouts for microphones and speakers, and then of course, tucked away here, you do have your S Pen. To this day, one of my favorite smartphone features of all time across all smartphones that I've reviewed and tested is still the S Pen. I loved it when we had the Note series, and now of course we have it as a standard with the S series. I just love having this thing tucked away and at the ready whenever I need it. But of course we gotta turn this baby on for the first time, so let's do it. Boom. Samsung Galaxy. But you know the drill by now. I'm not gonna walk you through the whole setup process. I'm gonna snap my fingers, it's all gonna be set up and done for you. It's set up. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra being turned on and used for the first time, but there is a lot to test, so I got a lot of work in front of me. Exciting work, but work nonetheless. But of course, for the latest deals, prices, promos, and information for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can of course always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/S25 Ultra, or of course, as always, there will be clickable links in the video description box and in the comment section below, so check those out. But with that having been said, I might just make a note here on things I have to remember to edit into this unboxing, so don't mind me. I will see you guys in my next video.